Like many of you mga ka-HDMI, marami nang nag-inquire regarding our expanded and perforated metal sheets. I know you're excited, but first, let me share to you these 3 important things to know before installing expanded or perforated metal sheets. Good day mga ka-HDMI, ako si Sir Jam, your go-to guide on anything about metals for construction, renovation, DIY, and more. When you're using expanded or perforated, you have to understand its directionality or orientation nila and ang pagkakadugtong-dugtong nila, continuous surface paneling. Number 1. Expanded metals are produced with the long way pitch on the shorter side of the sheet. Next, ang una mong titignan pag nakuha mo ng expanded metal sheet ay ang dulo ng panel. This will need to line up properly to form a continuous surface. Kung hindi, that means walang proper quality checking during production. And number 3, sa perforated sheets naman, dapat mong tignan ang borders nito. These borders will determine if they are to be used as continuous panel or as tiles. These can be cut manually or during finishing after ng production. So ayan mga ka-HDMI, ngayon alam nyo na ang mga bagay na dapat nyong ma-check pagdating sa inyong expanded or perforated metal sheets.